Here I have NOKIA IMEI, and let me show you all methods of checking IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, and let me show you how to use secret code to check these options. Let's open the phone's dialer right here. Let's activate the keypad, and let's use the following secret code *#06#. As you can see, the following IMEI number pops up. Let's tap OK to close this. So let's go back, and now let me show you how to check IMEI and serial by using the settings. So let me open the list of all applications. Scroll down and choose settings, scroll down again and choose system. Here you have to choose about phone, and from the following list you have to choose status. As you can see here, you can find the serial number, and you may also find the other stuff such as the Wi-Fi MAC address, the IP address. You may also choose the SIM status and IMEI information. And under IMEI information, of course, you can find the IMEI numbers of your device. So that's it. Let's go back. Now you may use your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.